I have watched Garfield yesterday and it made me think about pets. So, are you a cat person or a dog person? When I watched Garfield at age 7 or 6, I wanted to have a cat so mad, and it had to be orange one. But because my parents couldn't find one, and in our village everyone had cats around, so it wasn't like it was just for one person. It was like commonly owned for the village, and so they didn't want to have another one. But when I was 9, I got my first dog. It was a Central Asian Shepherd. It's a big dog. It was like when I got it was a small one, but they will grow till 40 kilo, so it's a really massive dog. Maybe some of you know, and maybe some of you have. And that dog taught me a lot of things, how to care of it, especially because my parents made me feed them, walk with them, and just take care of them. And yeah, as I told you, it taught me a lot of things. And because of that, I became a dog person, and I love dogs. I love animals. Unfortunately, I can't have one right now because I'm living in a flat, there is no garden, and I don't want to be selfish and just get one, and I know that dog wouldn't be happy, especially that size. Maybe if I would diminish my demands and I would get a small one, that would be happy with me, but I'm not that kind of person who is going to have a small one. But let me know, like, what kind of animals do you have? Maybe you have a parrot or you have rabbits. Some of my friends had rabbits, so who knows. And I remember once one of my gym, a guy was coming with a rabbit, so that was so crazy. And I have seen some guy has dogs, so it's a big world. So let me know what you have and subscribe.